Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the subject matter. In this video, we're taking a look at Pyypl, a digital payment platform found at www.pyypl.com. Pyypl offers a range of financial services aimed at making moving and managing money easier, particularly for those who may not have access to traditional banking. It operates primarily in regions where traditional banking infrastructure can be limited, providing a vital alternative for financial inclusion. Pyypl allows users to create virtual MasterCard or Visa cards, facilitating online transactions even without a physical bank account. This can be incredibly useful for online shopping, subscribing to services, or making payments to international vendors. The platform also supports sending and receiving money, often across borders, offering a convenient way to manage remittances and personal finances. One of the key features of Pyypl is its focus on accessibility. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are new to digital finance. The process of setting up an account is generally straightforward, requiring minimal documentation. This ease of use makes it an attractive option for individuals who might find traditional banking processes cumbersome or intimidating. Furthermore, Pyypl often integrates with local mobile money services, further enhancing its accessibility within specific regions. This integration allows users to seamlessly transfer funds between their Pyypl account and their mobile money wallets, simplifying day-to-day transactions. The platform also often offers various top-up methods, catering to different user preferences and local contexts. This flexibility in funding options makes it a versatile tool for managing finances in diverse environments. Pyypl's emphasis on financial inclusion and its user-friendly approach makes it a noteworthy player in the digital finance space. By offering a practical alternative to traditional banking, Pyypl empowers individuals to participate more fully in the digital economy, particularly in underserved communities. This is particularly valuable in regions where traditional financial services may be limited or unavailable. While specific features and availability may vary depending on your location, Pyypl is worth exploring if you're looking for a flexible and accessible way to manage your finances in the digital age. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more information.